U-Haul cost. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the cost of renting a U-Haul truck, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now U-Haul is basically just a truck rental service that you can use to move your stuff from one place to another, and if you are a local who needs a vehicle, you can go to U-Haul to rent it. And if you're just curious about the cost, then in that case there isn't really a fixed price, but there's an average. Let's say you want for a day, it can cost anywhere from $19. Let's say you want to extend it further, it can go up to 60, 70 or however dollars that you try to actually rent the services for. Now if you want to get a fixed rate, you can of course just come to uhaul.com and then just type in your pickup location, enter your drop-off location and the pickup date, and then tap the get rates option in order to get a fixed rate of the U-Haul cost. And hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.